divided by 6? Is it A, 9, B, 6, C, 8, or D, 10? Correct answer is 8. There are 48 candies, and 6 kids want them equally. Each gets 8. Everyone's happy, except the one who wanted more. 2. What is 54 divided by 9? Is it A, 9, B, 6, C, 8, or D, 3? Correct answer is 6. There are 54 cookies and 9 dinos want them equally. Each gets 6, and no one fought over it. Miracle! 3. What is 36 divided by 6? Is it A, 5, B, 6, C, 9, or D, 7? Correct answer is 6. There are 36 oranges, and 6 penguins want them equally. Each gets 6. Stomachache incoming. 4. What is 42 divided by 6? Is it A, 8, B, 4, C, 9, or D, 7? Correct answer is 7. There are 42 balloons, and 6 monkeys want them equally. Each gets 7. Now that's what I call a sweet deal. 5. What is 45 divided by 5? Is it A, 9, B, 8, C, 6, or D, 7? Correct answer is 9. There are 45 pencils, and 5 robots want them equally. Each gets 9. Sharing is caring, unless it's chocolate. 6. What is 56 divided by 7? Is it A, 7, B, 10, C, 8, or D, 9? Correct answer is 8. There are 56 socks, and 7 frogs want them equally. Each gets 8. It's time to count again, just to be sure. 7. What is 49 divided by 7? Is it A, 7, B, 5, C, 10, or D, 6? Correct answer is 7. There are 49 books, and 7 ghosts want them equally. Each gets 7. Even the teacher was impressed. 8. What is 40 divided by 5? Is it A, 5, B, 8, C, 7, or D, 9? Correct answer is 8. There are 40 cupcakes, and 5 zombies want them equally. Each gets 8. And nobody cried. Unbelievable! 9. What is 36 divided by 4? Is it A, 9, B, 8, C, 7, or D, 10? Correct answer is 9. There are 36 ice creams, and 4 cats want them equally. Each gets 9, all gone in a flash. 10. What is 35 divided by 5? Is it A, 7, B, 4, C, 8, or D, 6? Correct answer is 7. There are 35 muffins, and 5 dragons want them equally. Each gets 7. And, yes, one of them licked the last one. 11. What is 30 divided by 6? Is it A, 4, B, 2, C, 5, or D, 7? Correct answer is 5. There are 30 markers, and 6 aliens want them equally. Each gets 5. Everyone's happy, except the one who wanted more. 12. What is 32 divided by 4? Is it A, 5, B, 7, C, 6, or D, 8? Correct answer is 8. There are 32 bubbles and 4 ducks want them equally. Each gets 8, and no one fought over it. Miracle! 13. What is 60 divided by 6? Is it A, 8, B, 10, C, 7, or D, 9? Correct answer is 10. There are 60 sandwiches and 6 giants want them equally. Each gets 10. Now, that's what I call a sweet deal. 14. What is 48 divided by 8? Is it A, 5, B, 4, C, 8, or D, 6? Correct answer is 6. There are 48 pizzas and 8 penguins want them equally. Each gets 6. Time to count again, just to be sure. 15. What is 54 divided by 6? Is it A, 10, B, 8, C, 7, or D, 9? Correct answer is 9. There are 54 apples and 6 robots want them equally. Each gets 9. Even the teacher was impressed. 16. What is 36 divided by 9? Is it A, 1, B, 3, C, 2, or D, 4? Correct answer is 4. There are 36 sticks, and 9 kids want them equally. Each gets 4, and nobody cried. Unbelievable! 17. What is 45 divided by 9? Is it A, 6, B, 5, C, 2, or D, 8? Correct answer is 5. There are 45 chocolates, and 9 ghosts want them equally. Each gets 5, all gone in a flash. 18. What is 30 divided by 5? Is it A, 5, B, 7, C, 8, or D, 6? Correct answer is 6. There are 30 marbles, and 5 frogs want them equally. Each gets 6, and yes, one of them licked the last one. 19. What is 49 divided by 7? Is it A, 8, B, 4, C, 9, or D, 7? Correct answer is 7. There are 49 carrots, and 7 ducks want them equally. Each gets 7. Everyone's happy, except the one who wanted more. 20. What is 40 divided by 8? Is it A, 4, B, 5, C, 8, or D, 2? Correct answer is 5. There are 40 notebooks, and 8 monkeys want them equally. Each gets 5, and no one fought over it. Miracle! 21. What is 56 divided by 8? Is it A, 10, B, 6, C, 5, or D, 7? Correct answer is 7. There are 56 rulers, and 8 zombies want them equally. Each gets 7. Stomachache incoming! 22. What is 35 divided by 7? Is it A, 7, B, 3, C, 2, or D, 5? Correct answer is 5. There are 35 erasers and 7 cats want them equally. Each gets 5. Now that's what I call a sweet deal. 23. What is 60 divided by 10? Is it A, 9, B, 4, C, 6, or D, 5? Correct answer is 6. There are 60 jelly beans and 10 dragons want them equally. Each gets 6. Sharing is caring. Unless it's chocolate. 24. What is 50 divided by 5? Is it A, 7, B, 9, C, 8, or D, 10? Correct answer is 10. There are 50 hats, and 5 aliens want them equally. Each gets 10. Time to count again just to be sure. 25. What is 42 divided by 7? Is it A, 9, B, 4, C, 7, or D, 6? Correct answer is 6. There are 42 gifts and 7 kids want them equally. Each gets 6. Even the teacher was impressed. 26. What is 32 divided by 8? Is it A, 7, B, 6, C, 1, or D, 4? Correct answer is 4. There are 32 bowls and 8 pirates want them equally. Each gets 4. All gone in a flash. 27. What is 42 divided by 6? Is it A, 5, B, 8, C, 7, or D, 6? Correct answer is 7. 42 balloons shared with 6 monkeys. Each monkey grabs 7, and 1 floats away laughing. 28. What is 56 divided by 8? Is it A, 6, B, 7, C, 9, or D, 8? Correct answer is 7. 56 pencils split between 8 penguins. Each one gets 7. Time to draw masterpieces. 29. What is 35 divided by 5? Is it A, 8, B, 6, C, 7, or D, 5? Correct answer is 7. 35 cookies and 5 dragons. Each one munches 7. Flames of happiness everywhere. 30. What is 54 divided by 6? Is it A, 8, B, 5, C, 9, or D, 6? Correct answer is 9. 54 apples and 6 robots. Each gets 9, but 1 dropped his oops. Yay! You finished the quiz! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, or Mr. Minus will steal your cookies.